Yo, what's good everyone? It's your boy THC Rich. I'm back with another video. And today I just got a fresh pack from Seedsman in. My first pack from Seedsman. And they definitely hooked it up heavy. So let me show y'all what I got.
Yeah.
All right, so I already love ordering from Seedsman, even though this is my first time going with them. But these freebies are crazy. Let me show y'all what I got. All right, so first we got a clean Seedsman sticker. I'm guessing these are like some of their genetics that are on there, but I don't know. Either way, this shit's dope. They gave me a Seedsman coaster. A little Seedsman magnet. Definitely going on the safe. And they even gave me like a little Seedsman garden labeler, I guess you would call it. And on the back it has date planted, because if you're anything like me, you were high when you did it and you forgot when you did it. So this is dope. Little shit like this really does come in clutch in the garden. Also, they blessed me with a mystery pack. So there's 3 seeds in here. I don't know what's in here. All it says is mystery mix for you. So maybe we'll have to do like a mystery grow on the channel one time, just so we can see what this all is together. Let me know what y'all think. All right, y'all, so for what I actually ordered, I ordered a pack of Blood Moon Gelato. It's a limited edition pack they got, and they actually sent me 2. So I don't know if y'all fucked up or hooked me up, but Seedsman, shout out to y'all. I'm gonna definitely grow all of these out. All right, so if you guys are new to growing, Blood Moon Gelato is supposed to be super frosty. It's supposed to have some crazy colors, and it's supposed to be just a solid strain to run pretty much in any tent. So I would recommend this to any new grower. All right, so shout out to Seedsman for the double pack love. Thanks for all the freebies. And y'all, if y'all want me to pop these seeds on camera so we can find out what they are together, y'all let me know down in the comments. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and follow along. If y'all are brand new to growing, I got a lot more content coming. So just stay tuned, and I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.
Yeah.